Did you know? When a goldfish starts breathing fast, comes to the top again and again, or keeps opening its mouth wide, most of the time, the real reason is low oxygen in the tank. Warm water and dirty filters lower oxygen quickly, and goldfish are big breathers, so they get weak very fast. If your fish is stressed, fins are down, or it stops swimming properly, don't panic. Just add an air pump or air stone, change 30% clean water, and keep the temperature slightly cooler. This increases oxygen within minutes, and your goldfish becomes active again. Remember, clear water doesn't mean healthy water. Oxygen is the real lifesaver.